Hello, Mr. Snake. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing what I like to call a one-tank trip. We're going to go check out a couple waterfalls that are basically right in our backyard. We're going to check out a couple of water crossings and see how much water is going through those. It's just something to fill up an afternoon. Well, we're making our way up to Rock Creek Lake, and around the back side of Rock Creek Lake is Rock Creek Falls. They say there's nothing to see in Kansas. How about that? Well, after Rock Creek Falls, we're going to go check out a couple of water crossings here on the Moran River. Now, I know you're going to see it. It's not very wide, and you're going to question, why do they call it a river? I don't know. I didn't name it. It's just river on the map.
Just almost like Arkansas. Here it is.
Big water crossing. Hold on, Marilyn. There it says road closed. You can check out the water though. Well guys, the road to the old little water bridge crossing is closed. It washed out on us, but we're going to bring it down here, see what we got. It almost looks like the culvert's plugged up. You can see a hole in the middle where water's running in, so it makes me think the culvert on the other side is plugged up.
Oh, good.
Going left. This is the old steel bridge that you can't drive across, but it's supposed to be pretty neat. Let's go check it out. Nice rock bluff all along the river. Running that way, and running this way. Well, I wonder when this was built. Make sure you watch your step here. Yeah. Well, we are making our way south on the roughest county road in Kansas. We are going to head down and check out Bourbon Falls. Bourbon Falls is kind of like the Rock Creek Falls. It's the spillway that runs off of Bourbon County Fishing Lake.
Hear it.
So if you know where to go to in Kansas, there are some cool things to check out. This is called Bourbon Falls. Well guys, thanks for hanging out with us, checking out a few little things that Kansas has to offer. And just for fun, I'm going to leave a few shots of what most people think Kansas looks like here as we fade out.